2.3 first question, whether the you have to write down the order of the surds. So make 2 columns, surds and order of surds. We'll write down here third root of 7. So what will be the order? 3. Now it is 5 times root 12. Mind you, this pi is not this, it is not in this radical side. Radical sign में नहीं है, pi is outside. So what will be the order of this? It's just a square root part. So we'll write down order 2. Then here fourth root of 10. 4 inside है. So order will be 4. Square root of 39. So when you say square root, order is 2. Fifth question, third root of 18. So you have the order 3. This is a shortcut way of giving the answer. Now the last question for today is state which of the following are surds. So you are going to find out. सब surds नहीं है, कोई surds है, कोई surds नहीं है. You are going to find out which are surds. So we are going to stick to the definitions. Okay, just ये surd है, ये surd नहीं है. That is not the way. You have to justify your answer. Means you have to give the reason also to the answer. So first in that is third root of 51. Third root of 51. So check. What is radicand? 51 is positive rational number. Always you have to check. This radicand के अंदर जो a है, is it a positive rational number? Yes. And this n is equal to 3. Is greater than, this should be greater than 1. We should have square root, third root. We cannot have n 1. So it is always greater than 1. And answer of that 50k factors 51, 70. So it will be as it is, right? So third root of 51 is irrational numbers. This is optional, you may not write, that's fine, but this is compulsory. You have to check. Radicand should be a positive rational number, your n should be greater than 1, and the answer of this should be an irrational number. And therefore third root of 51 is a surd. So for all the questions you are going to solve in this manner. So quickly we will complete this exercise. So let us move towards the second question, fourth root of 16. I hope you have written first question. We'll go towards the second one, fourth root of 16. Okay, you can write along with me. Fourth root of 16. So 16 is positive rational number. So that condition is satisfied. n equal to 4 is greater than 1. So that is also satisfied. Now we find out the factors of 16 children. 16 2 से divide हुआ. You have 8 2 से divide हुआ. 4 2 2 जा 1. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16. It is 2 raised to 4. So fourth root of 16 is equal to fourth root of 2 raised to 4. So it is 2 raised to 4 का fourth root, which is 2 into 4 into 1 upon 4, which is 2. Fourth root of 16 is equal to 2, which is not a irrational number, not an irrational number. Therefore, fourth root of 16 is not a surd. So you have to say, you have to check the answer is coming irrational or rational. So complete method is shown to you, that how we got this as a rational number. So it is a rational number. So it is not irrational number, so it is not a surd. So we should have the answer irrational number, then only we can say it as a surd. Now I hope you should be able to grasp the method. You have to check the radicand. It should be a positive rational number. This n should be greater than 1. Then you find the factors and see whether you are getting rational or irrational, and then you can say finally it is surd or not. So quickly we will do the third sum. Fifth root of 81. Be little fast. Fifth root of 81. So first we will write down 81 is a positive rational number, and here you have 5 which is greater than 1. तो ये तो पक्का दिख ही रहा है, right? And then we'll factorize 81 now. 81 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 27, उसको 3 से डिवाइड किया 9, उसको 3 से डिवाइड किया 3, उसको 3 से डिवाइड किया 1. So we had 3 raised to 4. But here it is 5, so you will get a irrational number. So what you will write down here? Fifth root of 81 is equal to fifth root of 3 raised to 4. So it is 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 1 upon 5. It is 3 raised to 4 upon 5. Okay, so it is irrational number. So therefore, fifth root of 81 is an irrational number, and therefore fifth root of 81 is a surd. So fifth root of 81 is a surd. Now we move on to the fourth question. Fourth question is about square root of 256. So square root of 256. So what you will write down first? 256 is a positive rational number. Now what you will take n here? Nothing is there. That means what? It is a square root now. So we will write down n is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. Now children, factorize 256. You have to factorize 256, children. Divide by 2. 128 divide by 2. 64 divide by 2. 32 divide by 2. 16 divide by 2. 8 divide by 2. 4 divide by 2. 2 divide by 2. 1. So 8 times 8 times 2 is there. Correct? So what is the square root of 256? Let us find out. So it is 2 raised to how many times? 8 times. So I will write down 2 raised to 8. The square root. Square root is nothing but raised to power 8 half na. So 8 into 1 upon 2. Cancellation हुआ 2 4 जा. So 2 raised to 4. What is 2 raised to 4? 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16. So answer is 16. What is it? Rational number. Which is rational number. Therefore, square root of 256 is not a surd.